We're at the Shirley Apartments, 10 Montgomery Avenue in Bala Cynwyd. Beautiful day. Large, expertly run apartment building in Bala Cynwyd. Beautiful stone, really nice landscaping. Building's under brand new management and is being very well taken care of. It's in a residential neighborhood. It's a really beautiful, beautiful place. This is one of the common area entrances. Doors are open now because they're doing maintenance work. But typically these are all locked and closed. Here is one set of mailboxes. Okay. And you can walk up the steps to the unit. But this is an example of what the common area is like for every single unit. Now we'll take you up to the unit.
And the unit I'm about to show you is inside the Argyle building. There are a couple of parking spots in front of the building. All right, now I'm in front of the building, which is Argyle building. The unit will be on the second floor. It is, as I said, it's a 2-bed, 1-bath unit. To get in, the building is 3-story building. So on the second one, we have one. This is a common place. See outside, there's a lot of natural light. Okay, here is the unit I would like to show you, Unit B1. As you open the front door, you see this beautiful, very nice looking hardwood floor, and through that door over there you will see the balcony. I will go out there in a minute, but I just want to show you the living area first. This is your living space. You have a fireplace over there. It looks like it is recently used, but I don't know if it's functional or not. But this is the living area. The unit has a high ceiling and the outside private space, balcony here, beautifully carpeted. You can just step out for the fresh air. It's very nice. That was the street I was in. It's Hardway Street. The street over there is the Montgomery. So back to the unit. Okay, the second room you find is this huge dining room. It's very big. This dining room has 3 huge windows. I didn't turn the light, just the room is bright with natural light. There's tons of natural light you have here. And it has a central heat. For air, it's a window unit. I want to show you from this angle how big it is. It is huge dining room. It's very big. Here on my left, you have two of the bedrooms. Just straight down, you see the kitchen. Let's get in the kitchen first. The kitchen has a brand new floor. They just put it in. It just renovated. And as you walk in, on your left hand side, you have this pantry. The shelf is missing. They're gonna put the shelf back. Here on my right, you have a brand new fridge. I think they just put in this. Yep. And you have a lot of storage cabinet. You have a gas oven and cooktop. Beautiful. Here we're missing a dishwasher. They're gonna put it in. This part for a dishwasher. The unit comes with a dishwasher, and also you have this washer and dryer in the unit. I just left the door open for this video. Through the kitchen, you can go to the back of the building. That space you see, that door you see, is the fire stairs. It will take you down to the first floor. Here is what the kitchen looks like from the from the side. Okay. Yeah, this nice door if you want to close it in the kitchen. It's good to have this door just in case you don't want kids to get into the kitchen. All right, the next room is the bedroom. Just right next to this is the dining room I showed you earlier, and next to it this huge bedroom. This big size bedroom we have. It has two windows for the natural light. It is very bright in here, and the unit has hardwood floor throughout, and it's very high ceiling. You also have a closet space. Nice size closet space. As you could see on a video, you see two doors. One is the door that takes you to the dining area. There is another door that opens to the bathroom. Here, just came. The bathroom is a huge bathroom with a beautiful tile on the floor, tile on the wall, nice bathtub, shower combo. It is big size bedroom. You have a sink and medicine cabinet. It's a very good size bathroom. So I'm going back to, this is the door that takes you back to the other bedroom. So if I open this door, it will lead through the hallway. Okay, this is the hallway. This is the dining room. This is the bedroom I just showed you. Here is the hallway. So in the hallway, on my right hand side, you have this huge, deep and big closet space. Left is your bathroom. Then here you have the other bedroom. This bedroom is away from the street. The windows are facing the back of the building. There are two windows, two big windows. You have a lot of natural light in this bedroom as well. You see across, that is the dining room. This bedroom also has a closet space. Here. The unit is just recently renovated. It's a beautiful 2-bed, 1-bath unit. I just showed you what B1 of the Argyle building looks like. I hope you like the unit, you like the video. Thank you for watching. This closes. That's the kitchen. All right.